Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go to the Freecam mode on Freeplay. So I'm just going to go forward here. To do that is pretty simple. For instance, you want to take pictures of your outfits and you just don't want these things to be there. So to do that, you're just going to select Shift P on your keyboard and it's going to be gone. And to bring it back, you can just press Shift P. To make it a little bit better, hide your name tag as well as the microphone, but you have to do it on the Roblox menu. But as you can see, it just makes the photo much neater here. This is the camera mode. You can move around with your cursor here. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. To bring it back, just press Shift P again on your keyboard. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.